I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotics for pigs. This simple method helps improve your pig's digestion and overall health. We'll cover the essential ingredients and steps to create a beneficial microbial supplement right on your farm. It's a cost-effective way to support their immune systems and boost nutrient absorption, leading to healthier, more robust animals. Let's get started with the basic setup. To begin, you'll need a few key items. First, gather about 5 liters of non-chlorinated water. Tap water can be used if left out for 24 hours. Next, you'll need 100 grams of molasses or brown sugar, which serves as food for the microbes. Finally, secure 100 milliliters of a commercial probiotic starter culture. Ensure you have a clean, food-grade container, like a 5-gallon bucket, with a lid for fermentation. Now, let's mix everything. Pour the 5 liters of non-chlorinated water into your clean container. Add the 100 grams of molasses or brown sugar, stirring well until it's completely dissolved. Then, introduce the 100 milliliters of your probiotic starter culture. Give it another good stir. Seal the container tightly to prevent air from entering. Allow this mixture to ferment for 7 to 10 days at a consistent room temperature, ideally between 25 and 30 degrees Celsius. After 7 to 10 days, your probiotic is ready. It should have a pleasant, slightly sweet and sour aroma. Carefully strain the liquid to remove any solids, ensuring a clean product. Store your homemade probiotic in airtight bottles in a cool, dark place where it can last for several weeks. For application, add 20 to 50 milliliters per pig daily, either mixed into their feed or directly into their drinking water. This simple addition significantly boosts their digestive health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.